Hello there everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract the audio from the video. It's a very simple step, all you have to do is follow along. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Let's go to the uploads and let's see the video that we upload. So let's set this one, right? Hey there everybody. Order to extract the audio from here. So we have already edited your photo. So this is what audio sounds like. So let's say I want to extract the audio, right? Just right click and go to this option that is extract audio, or you can also go to the keyboard and tap in Ctrl+Shift+E and it will extract your audio. So since we're doing it this way, let's hit that button. Audio has been extracted. So yeah, simple as that. You can also edit this audio and stuff like that. You can go to fade in, fade out, and you can adjust the volume as well, how low or high you want it to be. So yeah, this is how you extract audio from the video in Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.